Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Jen. Today we're going to be making, I believe this is the 19th video in my series of the top 20 paper crafts of 2020. So these are just projects that I make usually all the time when I need a go-to project. I can change up the sizes, I can do different things, but the top 20 projects that I make are the videos that I've been publishing lately. So this is a Valentine's card. You could theme it to whatever you wanted to, but this is an accordion card with some photos on it like this. Now, obviously, on each one of these surfaces, you could put whatever you wanted. You could, you could put gift cards here. You could do gift cards and photos. You could write some, some whatever, if you like to write, you could, whatever you want to do. But this is what it looks like. So let me show you how to make it. I have right here a piece of paper that is 12 by 4. Now this piece here was 12 by 8. And I folded it in half to make it 12 by 4. That's because I wanted the printed paper on both sides. Okay, so if you want your printed paper to be on both sides, you can cut a 12 by 8, fold it in half so that it's 4 by 12. And at this point, all we're going to do is score it every 3 inches. So we're going to score at 3, at 6, and at 9, and that's it. Go ahead and burnish these score lines. Now with this, because it's white on this one side, okay, so let me go ahead and actually fold it the other direction, because we want that printed side to be the first part. Okay, so this is our card. This is our front of our card. So when you open it up, you have white. These pieces here, they're 3 by 4. So if you wanted to make a mat to go in here, you're just going to cut it like 1/4 of an inch shorter. So 3 3/4 by 2 3/4, and that would give you a mat for right inside here. Now, obviously I use photos, so it probably wouldn't have been that big of a deal just to put my photos here on the white part. So that's basically all you do. Decorate it however you want. I used the Valentine stamp here. I put a sticker. This is just one of the puffy stickers. I laid it down there. And then I went over to my paper pack and I cut a piece of 12 by 12 paper into 4 6 by 6 pieces. And this is what it looked like. So I made it into an envelope by using my envelope punch board, which is right here. And this is a 3 by 4 card. So if I look on here, I need a 6 by 6 piece and I need to score it 2 5/8. So it's very simple. I'm just going to line up my paper to the 2 5/8 mark at the top. I'm going to punch and score. And I'm just going to rotate my paper around, lining my score line, my previous scored line up to the little pointer mark here on my punch. And then I'm just going to keep following those score lines with my pointer. I'm going to punch and score, and then I end up getting this here. So now we'll go ahead and fold in all of these sides. And this goes down like this. Now, on a normal envelope, you usually take the bottom flap and fold it over like this. But because these pieces are decorated, I actually folded mine like this so that these were on the outside. So then all you have to do is take some adhesive and lay down on the outsides of here. And then that left a little bitty piece sticking up in the middle. You can leave that or you can cut it out. I actually cut it out on this one here. I'm going to round the corner on this. And then here is our envelope for our card. So once you get your card all decked out the way you want it to. Now this is a very tight fit. So just to let you know, this envelope is not big enough to send through the mail. So you cannot send this through the mail. You'd have to make a larger card and envelope if you wanted to send it through the mail. So this is the project. I will tell you, talking about sending things through the mail. This card here is a 4x6. So I cut a piece that's 6x12, and I scored at 4 and at 8. So you have 3 sections that are 4x6, and then you just fold it like we did on our smaller card. You can put 4x6 photos on here, whatever you want, and then you're just going to pull out your envelope punch board, and you're going to make an envelope to fit a 4x6 card. And then this one can go in the mail. So if you want to do that, that's a good way to make a card like this, to be able to send through the mail. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the project. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.